Hello everyone. Today I am making a delicious curd cheese rice. You will need mustard seeds, cumin seeds, black pepper, urad dal, pepper powder, turmeric powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, cheese, chilies, curd, rice, cooked rice, nuts and fruits, onions and dried chilies. Now heat a pan over medium flame, add oil and saute all the ingredients. Turn off the heat, let it cool slightly, then add the rice and curd and mix everything well. Finally, garnish with some berries and nuts. Enjoy this creamy and delicious curd cheese rice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tasty recipes like this.